Linking your bank account to Mouth and Marley Spoon is a straightforward process that allows for easy payment for your meal kit subscriptions. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Create or log into your account. Visit the Martha and Marley Spoon website and either create a new account or log into your existing account using your email and password. Step 2. Navigate to payment settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the payment or billing section where you can manage your payment methods. Step 3. Select bank account option. In the payment settings, choose the option to add a new payment method. Select bank account as your preferred payment option. Step 4. Enter your bank details. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes to link your bank account successfully. Now you're all set to enjoy your meal kits with a linked bank account. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to customer support.